Dear students, welcome to the video recording presentation of Supply Chain Management and Introduction to SAP. So, Supply Chain Management, it gives an overall view of how products are transferred from one place to another place, and how we have to expand the business, and how in an enterprise, by using system, application and products, how to control the overall plan. So it gives the overall picture how exactly it has to be covered, and it will be going stage by stage. So in the module 5 of learning with SAP, here we're going to discuss more about the materials management, how you procure the materials inside the organization, and how the overall enterprise structure is, and how the overall database is management is done, how the purchase information records has to be maintained inside the organization, what is the procurement cycle, basic type of procurement cycle, special procurement cycles, are those things you're going to know in detail. Further, how you do purchasing with respect to different products, request for quotation, how it is done, how database is maintained, how you call quotation from various vendors, what is the basis of selection, all those things will be recorded. So the good vendor or the good quality process will be carried out inside the organization. So purchase orders will be given to the good products for whom the vendor is going to develop a good relationship and also give good product to the company. So inventory is done prior to giving materials or procuring materials inside the organization. So every time invoice will be verification will be done so that proper order will be maintained. So service management will be done. Transactions code will be added for each product so that whenever we are going to use the products, we'll be able to know what it is. So SAP, it gives the overall view of the ERP. Under ERP, this material management is there. If you want to run any business, you have to know materials management, how well you procure the material. Based on that, you'll be able to establish quality. So SAP, it is a part of a logistic function. So to procure, you need logistics. So you have to get products from different places, then you'll be able to do. So logistics, it is the backbone, the company. It may be getting inside the company or distributing outside to the different locations. So there, whether you have to store the product or not, you have to plan. If it is in the mass production, then you have to think of what exactly it has to be done. So like this, all these data will be carried out. So the features of SAP is, it will be taking care of overall materials management, how well it works, how exactly it goes. So you'll be doing with inventory management, you'll be doing with invoice verification, you'll be doing material requirement planning. So like this, you'll be able to carry out different activities. So when you procure, you need a basic procurement process. Under basic procurement process, they are supposed to take care how to get the materials, whether it is available at the local market or you have to procure from other countries, that you have to plan. So in the basic procurement here, goods and the quantity must be of right quantity, right price, and it must be at the right time. So organization must try to keep inventory levels at the minimum because of the fluctuating price in the market, and they have to give a competitive price in the market. So the basic procurement must happen. So there are various steps when you go with the procurement life cycle: requirement and information gathering, supplier contact, background review. So each stage you are going to check out with respect to the customer. So further negotiation happens: order fulfillment, consumption, maintenance and disposal, contractual review. So whenever you go with the customer like this, you are going to take care of all these things so that you'll be able to go with the product.